The fiber market is booming everywhere. Massive fiber networks are connecting big cities, suburban communities, and rural areas. Long distances, tough ground conditions, wherever fiber is needed, important work happens. Wherever people live, crews are hard at work, installing fiber 1 foot at a time. Vermeer is here to keep you equipped to do more with equipment for the fiber installation work you do. Let's start here. Short home and business fiber drop installations are critical for building robust networks, but they can be challenging work. Vermeer can equip your crew with fiber drop installation solutions like compact horizontal directional drills, vibratory plows and trenchers, and Vermeer whole hammer positive turn and quarter turn reverse pneumatic piercing tools. For fiber mainline installation work in urban and rural areas, the equipment you choose can impact your crew's productivity. Vermeer has popular drills in the industry for urban mainline work, as well as ride-on tractors for urban fiber installation. It's a similar story for rural fiber mainline work. When working in wide open spaces, Vermeer has the fiber installation equipment to help you achieve optimal distances. Proven HDDs, proven ride-on tractors with attachments to fit the ground conditions. When it comes to drilling, tooling makes the difference. No matter what color of drill you use, Vermeer can equip you with all your HDD tooling solutions. Want to build an optimal drill string for your next bore? That's where your Vermeer HDD tooling specialist comes in. Or if you're the do-it-yourselfer type, there's Vermeer Rig Fitter on borestore.com. Fiber is being installed everywhere. Opportunities for your HDD crew are right around the corner and right beneath your feet. Vermeer is here to keep you equipped to do more fiber installation work.